Hey guys, for this video I have two products that I want to show you. First, the big boy, the Huayee HY14C mini excavator that I picked up about a month ago. A little over 20 hours so far put on that guy, so I've had a good chance of using it. And then also the bucket. We have the narrow trenching bucket. Now the bucket that comes with it is 15 inches and this one is about 8 inches. So almost half the size of this bucket. I want to show you what that's all about. Now the bucket they sent me for free. I did buy the mini excavator myself, but this trenching bucket is really amazing for, like, I dug out the perimeter of that concrete pad, gonna put some river rock around it as a little border. But if you're doing any kind of plumbing or electrical, you have to lay pipe, run conduit, any kind of drainage pipe, anything where you don't need the wide hole, you just need something narrow, you just need to put a hole in the ground. You know, you don't want to cause more of a mess in the yard or wherever you're at than you absolutely have to. Plus it digs a little better when it's not digging as much. Now you'll see with the HY14C, this is a 1.4 ton mini excavator, gasoline engine. You see it has the hydraulic thumb, so it's not a mechanical thumb and it's not no thumb at all. And then we also have the swing boom, which I really like because you can keep the excavator itself stationary and just rotate back and forth your arm there. And sometimes it's better to get a little bit better angle of what you're looking at and everything. So overall, I've been really happy with this guy. I want to show you a couple of clips of digging out around that there, but also we have the pond over here, which I know it doesn't look like a pond. It's not much of a pond right now. I'm going to drive over there and we'll get some clips. I need to see how far down I have to go to hit water. So we just need to dig a little hole. And I'm going to show you that as well. Now, obviously, I already have the trenching bucket on there, but I do want to show you how you change out your bucket. And it is fairly simple. You can see it has the two pins there. Then we have this lever right here. Now you could use a pipe wrench. I finagled this kind of pipe right here. And if we slide this pipe on here and then push down, that is going to, oh, hold on a second. We got to pull this little spring-loaded pin. Also, now let's see, can I do it with just my elbow? Oh yeah, I can. See, that's how easy it is. I can hold my phone and push it with my elbow. So when we push that down, you can see it's compressing that spring, and that's going to release this lower pin, and then this one just slides off. You can see that it's just a slot right there. You can see that is off, and all I would have to do is pick it up and then reverse the process. Start this guy up real quick. Now the other thing you can do see how the bucket's swinging there because that back pin isn't holding anything. But the other thing you can do is just whoop, 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 whoop. I don't know how graceful that was, but if you rock the bucket back, it'll just fall off on its own. I'll try and give you guys an angle of it, but to reverse the process, we just hook the front and then push up the back, and we'll have to work smarter, not harder, and curl the bucket. Hopefully we caught that of it snapping into place there. Now, the bucket is all ready to go. Took a little break to clean out the bucket. Some of this moist mud stuff kind of gets stuck in there, but we would take a break to check out our progress. You can see there's no water at the bottom of this hole just yet, and we are about 3.5 feet deep. So we'll keep going and see what it takes to see a little water down there. We are now about 64 inches down. You see, we got a nice straight little tunnel here. I was hoping to see a little bit of water. See, you got water just sitting over on that side. I don't think we're going to get water, but we did learn that this thing can dig over 5 feet down. I don't know what it's rated at, but I can show you today it goes more than 5 feet. So there it is, guys, your Huayee HY14C with the narrow trencher bucket. Thanks for watching. If you want some bonus fun, I'll leave the camera running and we can see how am I going to get out of here now.